tip.
Silver tip. Okay.
Like where the bullet would come out at, that part was silver. And I want to say the rest of it was black.
Okay, and how many guns were there? Was there one or was there more than one gun?
I only seen one handgun.
Okay. But you testified you heard 3 shots, right?
I never said anything about 3 shots.
You did? Okay, so how many shots did you hear?
1.
What happens when you're in the middle lane and Devontae Burton is in the right lane by your passenger side?
Once his car, once he got close enough to my vehicle, he shot me.
And were you hit by that shot?
Yes, I was.
Where on your body were you hit?
My neck.
And were you able to move immediately after that?
No.
Did he, was there any damage to the passenger side window of your vehicle?
I'm not sure.
Was your window up or down?
My window was up.
What about Mr. Burton's window? Was that up or down?
He rolled his window down.
Do you recall him saying anything before he shot you?
No, I don't.
And how do you know him?
Our families was mutual friends.
What happens after you're shot?
I was taken to Sinai Grace Hospital.
Was it off of the freeway? Did you have to stop your vehicle off the freeway? Do you recall doing that?
I don't recall stopping my vehicle, but I do. I can just remember hearing a civilian, someone helping me. I can remember a guy calling 911 and staying with me until 911 came. I don't recall how my vehicle stopped, but I do recall a stranger being there with me, calling 911.
Now, you indicated that you went to Sinai Grace after this incident, correct?
Yes.
Have you been in medical facilities since July of 2020?
Yes, I have. I have not been home. I have been in and out of hospitals and assisted living facilities.
And I noticed that you're laying down in a hospital bed. Are you currently able to move any part of your body as a result of being shot that day?
No, I cannot. I'm paralyzed.
And is that from the neck down?
Yes.
Now, after this incident, did you make a statement once you were able to speak to the police?
Yes.
And did you tell the police everything that you testified to today?
Yes.
Also, at some point in time after the incident, did you view a series of photos?
Yes.
And in those photos, did you identify the defendant who you identified today in court?
Yes.
One moment. Your Honor, I have what's been marked as People's Proposed Exhibit 1. It's been stipulated to by defense. Pages 1 through 7, it would be the photo arrays that the victim viewed. If I can admit it into the record at this time.
Right. You stipulating to it?
Yeah, typically for exam purposes.
All right, you're good.
Ma'am, did all of this happen in the city of Detroit, County of Wayne?
Yes.
I have nothing further.
Wonderful, okay?
Yes, good.
Good afternoon, Ms. Jones.
Good afternoon.
Ms. Jones, I'm gonna ask you some questions. If you don't understand, please let me know, and I'll try to rephrase it in a way that you can understand. Is that fair?
Okay.
You already testified that you were driving your car on or about July 11th of 2020 last year?
Yes.
Okay. Were you alone in the vehicle, or was there someone else in your vehicle?
I was alone.
Okay. You testified that you were driving on the Southfield, or was it, what street were you driving on?
Southfield Freeway.
Okay. It's your testimony here today that you put your vehicle in the middle lane, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, and it's your testimony that a dark colored SUV came to the, what side of you, the left or the right?
The right side.
Right side, okay. Let me ask you this. You said you're on the phone the entire time that you're in your vehicle, correct?
Yes.
In actuality, you were on FaceTime, fair?
I'm not sure.
Okay, so you were talking to your sister, Nicole Jones, right?
Yes.
And you were talking to her the entire time that you're driving, correct?
Yes, my phone was in my lap while I'm driving.
Okay. And you were talking to her prior to this incident occurring, right?
Pardon me?
You were talking to her prior to this shooting occurring, correct?
Yes.
Okay. You testified that you noticed a vehicle on your bumper, right?
Yes.
Okay. And you were able to see the person in this vehicle through your rear view mirror, right?
Yes.
And you recognize this person in your rear view mirror?
Not quite.
Okay. Who is Prince Madison?
I don't know nobody by that name.
You don't know a Prince Madison?
Oh, a Prince Madison?
Yes.
Yes.
Who is that individual to you, please?
He's not related to me. He's related to Devontae Burton. He's nothing to me.
Okay, but you were involved with a relationship with this man, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Ultimately, Prince Madison is the reason how you know this different family, right?
No.
Okay, but you said that you were mutual friends with the person that was in this vehicle?
Our families was mutual friends. I know more than just Prince Madison and Devontae Burton through this family.
Okay, now you say the name Devontae Burton. You didn't recognize that name when this incident happened, right?
No, because I never knew his real name. I know him as Nunu.
Okay, somebody told you this person is Devontae Burton, correct?
Somebody told me his name.
Okay, and who was that?
I'm not for sure.
Okay. When this vehicle pulled beside you, how many occupants were in that vehicle?
I'm not for sure.
You don't remember whether there was 1, 2, or 3 people in this vehicle?
I just remember seeing his face, seeing
Okay.
Devontae Burton's face.
Okay. Now, and when you saw him, you recognized him, right?
Yes.
Okay. You recognized him as this individual named Nunu. Fair?
Yes.
Okay. And during this time, you're still on the phone with your sister, right?
Possibly.
Okay. And at no point in time did you tell your sister there's Nunu next to me, did you?
Yes, I did.
You told your sister that?
Yes.
Okay, so did you also tell your sister that you were being followed that day?
once he got on the side of me, I may have did tell her that I think this was him following me. I'm not for sure.
Okay.
Can't remember.
Now, you can't remember. That's fair. Let me ask you this. When this vehicle came beside you, why didn't you call the cops?
It just happened so fast. By the time he got on the side of me fully and I recognized his face fully, I seen his gun being pointed at me and I was shot.
Were you wearing a mask at the time?
Was I wearing a mask at the time?
Yes.
I don't think so, but I can't remember.
Okay. Was the person in this vehicle wearing a mask?
No.
Okay. How many shots did you hear?
One.
Okay. And it's your testimony here today that you saw the driver of the SUV with a gun?
Yes.
Which hand did he have the gun in?
His right hand.
Okay. And what type of gun was it? If you know.
I couldn't tell you that.
Was it a black gun? Was it a silver gun? Do you know?
It had a silver tip.
Silver tip. Okay.
Like where the bullet would come out at, that part was silver. And I wonder if the rest of it was black.
Okay, and how many guns were there? Was there one or was there more than one gun?
I only seen one handgun.
Okay. But you testified you heard 3 shots, right?
I never said anything about 3 shots.
You didn't? Okay, so how many shots did you hear?
1.
Just one.
Just 1.
Okay. And was your passenger window down at the time?
No.
Okay. Was your driver's side window down at the time?
No.
Okay. When you were at the hospital, you met with some detectives from the Michigan State Police, correct?
Hold on 1 second.
Sorry, Judge.
Yes.
Hold on, we got another person, a Nathan Jones, is he part of this case?
That's for father.
Is he a possible witness?
Absolutely.
Huh?
He may very well be, Judge. I don't know. I guess by the prosecutor, he is not. He's definitely a family member.
He's a family member, but I don't know.
Is he a witness for you?
I don't know yet, Judge. Not done my. However, I would still ask because it's a family member that would be communicating with other family members who
That
certainly.
has nothing to do with it. Family, I can't stop family from talking to family. They're gonna communicate with each other. But the issue is the prosecution is not calling them, and as far as you know right now, you're not calling them.
No, Judge.
Now, stay out. Mr. Jones, take your hat off.